Have you ever wondered how the Quran has remained unchanged for over 1,400 years? Why is it considered so unique among religious texts? The Quran is the direct word of Allah, revealed to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, as guidance for all of humanity. Allah himself promises to preserve the Quran. In Surah Al-Hijr, he says, "Indeed, we have sent down the reminder, and indeed, we will be its guardian." Surah Al-Hijr 15:9. This divine promise is at the heart of the belief that the Quran is protected from alteration or corruption. During the Prophet's lifetime, his companions memorized the Quran verse by verse, a tradition known as hifz. This practice continues today, with millions of Muslims around the world memorizing the Quran in its entirety. In addition to memorization, the Quran was carefully recorded on materials like palm leaves, parchment, and stones. After the Prophet's passing, the Caliph Abu Bakr oversaw the compilation of these writings into a single book to ensure its preservation. Later, during the Caliphate of Uthman ibn Affan, the Quran was standardized to prevent regional differences. Copies of this standard version were distributed to various parts of the Muslim world, ensuring that all Muslims recited from the same text. One unique aspect of the Quran is that it is always recited in its original Arabic. This has helped maintain the authenticity of its message. Arabic remains a living language, spoken by millions, further protecting the Quran from translation-based distortions. Scholars throughout history have meticulously studied and preserved the Quran. Ancient manuscripts, such as the Birmingham Quran, match the text Muslims use today, providing clear evidence of its consistency over centuries. The Quran's preservation is truly remarkable, combining divine protection with the dedication of the Muslim community. It stands as a testament to Allah's wisdom and mercy, serving as a guide for humanity across generations. Reflecting on this preservation reminds us of the importance of the Quran as a source of unity and inspiration. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to inspire us.